Hello, my dear students. As you know me, I am Subodh from India, and I have been teaching English for the last 25 years. For the last 4 years, I have been teaching English through Skype. And here I am going to record a new video for you. Here, and I would like to focus on modal would, WOULD. So how we use that would in different sentences that I am going to teach you here. So you see, the very first use of would, I am going to explain it here. You know a use like used to. Used to means when we were in the habit of doing something in the past for a long time. Like we say, I used to play football in my childhood, or we used to be friends in our childhood, like this. So it means that was the habit of doing something in the past for a long time. But when this is, means you had, or it was the habit of doing something in the past for time being, not for a long time, that time used to is replaced by would. Here I give you an example. मैं आपको यहाँ एक example देता हूँ. I would go for a walk every day when I was in London for 2 years. Means that was my habit in the past, but that was for time being, not for a long time. That's why I am using would in place of used to. You can take some more examples here. Like you can say, I would have food in that restaurant. I would have food in that restaurant whenever I came to that city. So it means that was the habit in the past for time being, right? Now the second use, we are going to use would to make a very polite request, right? Would you mind? It's the most polite request in English. Would you mind opening the door, please? So you see the pattern, would, subject plus would you mind, M-I-N-D, mind, plus V4, ing form. Would you mind opening the door, please? So this is the most polite request in English using would. Now let's come to the third use. That is, you see, what would you like to do now? आप अब क्या करना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like to have a cup of tea? क्या आप एक कप चाय लेना पसंद करेंगे? Like this means just we are urging someone to have something or asking what they are going to do, what their wish is to do, like this. Would you like to sleep now? Like this. Now the next use of would is we use it in conditional sentences, in past conditional sentences. Like, अगर तुम यहाँ आते तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता. If you had come here, the past perfect. If you had come here, comma, I would have helped you. Would plus have plus V3. If you had come here, I would have helped you. Or you can take this sentence in different way also. Had you come here, I would have helped you. This is past conditional sentence. अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता. Like, अगर आपने अच्छे से पढ़ाई की होती तो आप पास हो गए होते. If you had worked hard, or if you had studied well, you would have passed the exam. Now The next use of would, it's very important. Some of the sentences are conditional and they may be in any tense, but they are never true. ऐसे सेंटेंस, ऐसे कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस जो किसी भी टेंस में हो सकते पर सच नहीं होते, लाइक अगर मैं राजा होता तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता, तो पास्ट एंड देन वुड प्लस V1. इफ आई वर अ किंग I would help you. If the sky fell down, all would die. Like this. So these are the uses of would. I think you might have understood it. Practice it and try to understand it. Try to use it every day in your life. And still, if you want to contact me, I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching that video. Thank you.